Oops, not so fast. Back to the beginning.
Bought a new TV. Need to mount it on the wall. This is going to the trash. Wait a minute. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? This is the only source of lighting I can get my hands on right now, but you can use any one you want. So let's do this. To my source of light. Testing.
The torch are positioned in such a way that it is easy to on and off. It should be noted that due to the fragile nature of styrofoam, not every gum can be used on it. So we are going to try 4 different types of gums and see the one that is well suited for it. Because most gum are made with harsh chemicals. You can see that 3 of the gum we use is reacting to the styrofoam. It is dissolving it. So we are going to go with this one. This one is the perfect gum for it.
You can decorate it to your taste, anyhow you want. There is space for decoration.
You can also paint them with any color of your choice.
There are endless possibilities, so never throw this away. Turn this trash into cash. For more interior tips, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.